Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ring Doorbell Battery is probably one of the most popular smart home devices for keeping an eye on your property, providing real-time alerts and video footage of visitors. But what happens when the battery starts to die? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing your Ring Doorbell's battery, ensuring your home security system remains fully operational and ready to protect your home at all times. We will cover everything from choosing the right replacement battery to the step-by-step process of installation, offering tips and tricks to make the entire process quick, easy, and hassle-free. Number 5. Hiweld Ring Doorbell Battery. Tired of your Ring Doorbell running out of power? This 2-pack of replacement batteries keeps you covered. Enjoy uninterrupted security. It's compatible with micro USB and Type-C, so you can charge it using your laptop, portable charger, or wall adapter. Charge 2 batteries simultaneously for ultimate convenience. This set includes 2 batteries and a convenient charging station. It works with various Ring devices, including the video doorbell and stick-up cam. The dual charging docks allow you to charge 2 batteries at once. LED lights show the charging status, making it easy to monitor the process. Multiple safety features are built in, including overcharge and short-circuit protection. Rest assured knowing it's safe and reliable. You receive 2 replacement batteries, a dual charging dock, a 24-month warranty, and 24-hour customer support. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. It comes with 2 batteries and a convenient charging station, perfect for always having a backup. The dual charging docks mean you can charge both simultaneously, minimizing downtime. If you need uninterrupted surveillance and want the ease of a charging station, this is the one for you. What people say. It has been over a month since I put one of these in my Ring video doorbell camera. There is quite a bit of charge left in it. I ordered these batteries and they worked without issue for over a year. I love the way it is made. I place the batteries into the charger and plug in the charger. I have bought batteries before with just a plug and many times my plugs would not work, but with the charger box, I haven't had any problems at all. Number 4. Ring Battery Replacement. Introducing our new and improved battery, designed for easy installation and removal, just like the original. Each lithium-ion cell undergoes rigorous testing to ensure top quality and performance. This replacement battery is 100% compatible with your Ring Video Doorbell 2 and Spotlight Cam. It features a secure metal clip for a perfect fit and reliable operation. It offers 4 layers of protection against overcharging, short circuits, high temperatures, and surges. This ensures both your safety and the longevity of your device. This rechargeable Li-ion battery boasts a 6040 mAh capacity and 3.65 V output. Enjoy extended battery life with no memory effect, and charge or discharge at any time without worry. You'll receive one 6040 mAh replacement battery, backed by a 12-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Say goodbye to frequent battery purchases. What we like. This battery is designed for simple installation, just like the original. It's built with multiple safety features for reliable performance. If you prioritize ease of use and a long-lasting battery, this is a great choice. What people say. This battery lasts a long time and is easy to install and remove for charging. A lifesaver. Now I don't have to wait for the battery to charge. I now have a backup ready charged, so no lost downtime. It has been working well for over a year. I bought this so I could always have a spare one fully charged when I need to recharge the battery on my Ring Cam, and it works great. Number 3. Ring Rechargeable Battery Pack. Never worry about running out of power again. This extra battery ensures your Ring device is always ready. It works perfectly with a wide range of Ring devices, providing backup power whenever you need it. Check the list to see if yours is compatible. Enjoy uninterrupted security coverage with this convenient and reliable rechargeable battery pack. Changing the battery is a breeze. The quick release tab makes swapping batteries quick and easy, without removing the device. Keep your Ring devices powered up and ready to protect your home, day and night. Get yours today. This battery pack is designed to work with a variety of Ring products, ensuring you always have backup power. What we like. It's an official Ring product, ensuring compatibility and quality. The quick-release design makes swapping batteries a breeze. If you want a seamless, official replacement, this is your best bet. Number 2. Ring Battery 6040 mAh 2-pack. It works perfectly with your Ring doorbell camera, spotlight camera, and stick-up camera. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing Ring system. Charge it conveniently using any 5V USB port. Your PC, car charger, or power bank will do the trick. Flexibility is key. With a high 6040 mAh capacity, it ensures continuous surveillance. Premium cells guarantee long-lasting performance. The included charger station allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously. Hot swap batteries for uninterrupted monitoring. Red and green lights clearly show the charging status. Green lights mean it's fully charged and ready to go. It's compatible with various Ring devices, including Doorbell 234, Stick-Up Cam, and Spotlight Cam models. Check the full list for your specific model. What we like. This 2-pack comes with a dual charging station, so you always have a charged battery ready. The LED indicators clearly show the charging status. If you value convenience and clear charging status updates, this is ideal for you. What people say. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing even those with limited technical expertise to effortlessly replace the battery. The battery's performance is exceptional, delivering consistent power to my Ring camera. It offers a long-lasting charge that keeps my camera functioning reliably, day and night. These are perfect for my outdoor Ring camera. Batteries charge pretty fast and I like the design of putting them in this charger rather than a plug-in. Number 1. Ring Battery Replacement, 6040 mAh. Introducing a powerful replacement battery for your Ring devices. Enjoy longer run times and peace of mind with this high-capacity option. It seamlessly works with a wide range of Ring products, including doorbells 2, 3, 3 Plus, and 4, as well as various stick-up and spotlight cams. This battery boasts a massive 6040 mAh capacity, providing significantly extended use compared to standard batteries. Premium Li-ion cells ensure long-lasting performance. Multiple safety features are built in, including overcharge, short circuit, and high-temperature protection. Your devices and home are safe with this battery. Convenient LED indicators clearly show the charging status. Red and green lights indicate charging, while 2 green lights mean it's fully charged. You'll receive 2 replacement batteries, a user manual, an 18-month warranty, and access to 24-hour customer support. We've got you covered. What we like. Get 2 long-lasting batteries with multiple safety features built in for peace of mind. They're designed for extended use and reliable performance. If you want a safe, long-lasting, and convenient 2-pack, this is a perfect option. What people say. For aftermarket batteries, they're made very well, matched perfectly, takes a while to completely charge, just like original batteries. I've had these batteries for a couple weeks now and they're used in outdoor cameras. Temps have been in the low 20s and they're doing great. These batteries are well made, decent batteries that provide pretty identical battery life to the original batteries. I wouldn't be able to tell any differences based on the time they last in my spotlight camera. I've always had an extra battery on our Ring doorbell to allow me to switch the battery without having to wait to charge it. Makes keeping the doorbell online and working without much delay. When I take the old one out, I immediately charge it so it's ready to go in. I also top it off before I install. Battery lasts for months, just like the original. Highly recommend this as a backup switch battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.